Sea salt soap can be made with any of your soap recipes. You could add your choice of colors and scents. This one is scented, but I chose not to add any color. Mix the soap until it's just thick enough so that when you add the sea salt, it doesn't settle to the bottom. But be careful because this one gets thick fast. The amount of sea salt I used was 75% of oils. For example, if your oils are 20 ounces, then the amount of sea salt would be 15 ounces. I strongly suggest using a single cavity mold. This soap will set up very hard and you will not be able to cut it.